Hey, what's going on, guys? Taffin here, welcome to some Grand Theft Auto 5. Just kidding, it's number 4. Because you might think it's GTA 5, even though... Oh, if it was GTA 5, and then I might wanted it to have Liberty City and the same story as GTA 4. Yeah, go figure. So... This series of GTA 4, I'm gonna show off some cars, and then maybe another series of GTA 4, we'll do some free roaming and... You know, throw sticky bombs around the place if I've got sticky bombs on you. Okay, let's go to the airport where I usually spawn my cars. I tried recording this before, but my game crapped itself and it just showed an error and crashed. So let's see, what I'll do is I'm going to check what cars are there. There looks like there's a couple of cavalcades here. Mainly cavalcades. Yeah, because you can... But when you go closer, it comes to a Cadillac Escalade since I've got a real life car pack installed, cause, yeah. Yeah, who cares? So we've got a couple of Escalades. We've got heaps of cars to show off today. Let's start off. Let's do car sporty. And let's do the added cars. We've got a Lamborghini Gallardo twin turbo. Check this out. Oh, look at that.
Are you ready to live the real estate dream?
Okay, what I'll do is let's save the car. And now let's check out the features. That is cool. Because I didn't know how to install added cars, but this mod pack installed them for me. So let's lock the doors so we can yeah. Okay, let's leave the door open for now. Okay, I'm laggy a crap ton, I'm not rendering or anything. I'm just gonna leave it now. So colours. Oh, you're serious. Red, blue, black. Personally, since I'm a Lambo lover, I like that white. Okay, there's nothing in the hood because it's in the trunk. The trunk doesn't matter. Yeah, it's got the Lamborghini. You can see it's got quad exhaust, but the bottom bit's been taken out of it. Okay, let's close the doors. We'll leave it here. Let's shut the engine on. Cool, we'll leave it there for now, then we'll get someone spawned and they can take it out of the lot. And yeah. So next car. Connie think Garrett R. Very bright. And it sounds exactly like a Dodge Viper. Oh, it's got slight. That's a bit of a glitch. It opens like that. It's supposed to open like how pops out and it rotates. So mainly I've seen like that. So let's open the doors. Yeah, as you can see, good G. Oh, it's like I open the hood and open the trunk and it's like that. Aha! That's handy. It's got a V8, I think. Can't you feel like the rear doors, but then the hood of the trunk opens because yeah, we can walk on top of it. I could just get up. How did I just get up? I'll just get up like that. Okay. Cool. That's the Connie C. So I think this episode is mainly going to be the added cars. I don't know. Depends how I feel. Because this has been a 5-minute episode or something like that so far. So might record it until that 1/4 minute says, and then I'll wrap it up then. So let's do Night Rider, yes. Let's just say lag. That's when I get super worried. That's Night Rider, that's nice. We'll look at it more in depth when we spawn everything, and then we can get a pen. It's what I do, then they can, if they want to, they can take all the escalators out of here. The next, forward. Well, it's supposed to be an Audi R8. The person who created this, got to rename these. That looks good. Then we've got the 2010 Dodge for it. Whilst I've added, since I don't want to get walked into the... Yeah, I just did it. Okay, cool. So that's these ones, and now we've got the Dodge Ram. Big foot. Oh, goodness me, look at that. It's a Laramie, it's got the... I don't know if it's a V8 or a V10. Let's go see how he climbs up into it. I just put the Dodge Charger interior. Why is that? Anyway, I like these Rams. The quad cab or whatever they call quad cab or crew cab, whatever. This is 4x4 too. Yeah. The creator needs to fix that up. So now let's go to the Camaro. Yeah. Z01. Look at that. Oh, what happened? Okay, go figure. I wonder. Okay, copyright. Cool. It's a Z01 model too, so that's cool. Got 2 more added cars, and then we get to the usual cars. Obviously this one's gonna be fast, favorite fastest car on the planet. And yeah, well, now last but not least, Batman fans, there you go. Look at the interior of that thing. There you go, Batman fans. The best Batmobile. I don't know what this pack's called. I think it's like real car pack or something like that. But yeah, right. Let's get the pets to drive these cars out of here. Then we'll get started on the real cars like that. We'll start from the Yankee and then we head back up to the Admiral, whatever that one is. I forgot what it was. I think it was a Corolla. Yeah, it was a Corolla. So if you're a Corolla fan, you've got to wait till the end, which is will bite me next episode. Depends how long I've got. Depends how long it's going to take. Yeah. Well, that's good. She got out. Next. Get to the Lambo. Yeah, you can just hear it just revving. That's cool. I think the Infernus crashes the game. I don't know. Something crashed the game when I tried to. I don't know what it was. Yeah, get in the car. Get the college thing. Oh, it just crashed it. Just ignore the background for now. Yeah, it's your hire car. That's your hire car. What's he crashing? Better help him.
Sorry, man. What the fuck's going on?
exactly what is
Next
going on.
time, stay out of my way.
You crashed your Batmobile.
Give me the car, friend.
You got it, boss. Come along now.
I'm sorry, okay?
Gotcha. Yeah, he's off. Okay, back to sporting pets. Oh, that was a lag. Yeah. Okay, that should be hard to not crash. I could be wrong. Cool. Yeah, get the Porsche, and then the next one gets into the city. Night ride gets. That'll be Michael, whatever his name is. Oh, he could have sidewiped me. Okay, so next cars. Next one is the Yankee, which is just a normal Yankee, just maybe repaint. If I would make this same model, get a Volvo truck or something like that for it. Let's this one fits the car park. So that's that one. Obviously you know what a Yankee is. Excuse me a minute. Okay, sorry about that. My mum just wanted me to record the cricket. Oh my goodness. And no, I'm not British. We're Australian and she's just... Okay, what? Next one. Volkswagen Bora 2003 V6. It's getting really bright. Yep, the lights work. Okay, save car, let's showcase it. We're gonna get first person mode to showcase it. Why don't you tell me that? Wait. Oh, never mind. I get it. Gonna get first person mode here. Okay. So that's what the car looks like outside for the glitch. That's what the car looks like up front. Obviously if you own one of these you know what it's like, so you've got red, blue. Oh, that great, that's cool. Okay, the left front door opens. The right front door opens. Oh, I'm gonna get out of the waste, Michael. Cool. Over the hood, it's got the 2-litre V6. Okay, how big's the truck? Wow. See your loves if you steal one. I gotta go mute the radio quickly, so I don't get copyrighted. Okay, the engine's running a fate. You just have to hear it. Okay, so let's shut the engine off. Okay, and yeah, really good looking car. We'll get someone to drive it in a minute to see how it drives and what's the handling like. There goes the person who's driving the Trans Am. You can see Batmobile again. Okay. Next car. Next car is, oh, yes. Look at that. Look at that. Looks like a diesel, Bobby and diesel. That's an I. 550i. Yeah, let's get in. Okay, so let's save car. Okay, I'll wrap it up a little bit. Okay, here's cinematic mode. Shut the engine off. I'm gonna leave it as white because the white looks good. I'll go, yeah. So, oh, I'll go away. Might change that back to the original Niko, I don't know. No. There's the left front door. I was gonna keep walking so it does the door. There. Oh, wow, doesn't have any much room at all. Yeah, this is the F10, so I think it's got a V8. Yeah, order. Cool. Set the engine on, it is running, isn't it? Yeah, you can just hear it. You can tell it's running because you can see the lights on. Yeah, really interesting car. And I'm pretty much BMW fan. Hopefully in the future I'll get an X5 or something because the X5s are cool. So next. Oh, these are good. And Buick Rivieras. This is what I think is a thing. Yeah, nah. It wasn't this one, it was a different one that I saw. I saw like a nice blue Buick, I don't know what it was, maybe it was a Cutlass or something like that. It was an old 70-something model.
Ever wonder why you look a lot like your neighbor?
And it was like 9-liter V8 or something. So if you know your Buick models, can you like leave a comment below? It's like got those it's like a got these headlights but say 4-door I think. No, it's a 2-door. It's blue. I think it's a Cutlass Supreme or something like that. So yeah, let's have a look at colours. I like that orange, that's cool. Yeah, it's got. I think it's got the edge carbureted because that's what that big circle is. Yeah, the trunk's floaty. Oh no, I think the latches is at the back. Okay. Oh god, sorry for the lag again. Nothing lights up. Let's just do it first person mode. First person mode. Okay, I need to, doesn't matter. So, if you got the trader mod, like the simple native trader, oh wow. Those escalators are glitchy. Is it still doing it? Yeah, those escalators are so glitchy. Okay, what's next? I'm actually not surprised. Basically every every mod pack I'll get is basically there'll be a Chevrolet Suburban. If you don't know what that is, it's the longest nameplate in vehicle history. Now, next, a Lamborghini Gallardo Handman. I wonder. No, didn't think so. Lights up and everything. That's cool. We won't show this one off because we showed off the other one, basically the same one. Yeah, exactly the same. I thought I lagged for a minute there, but I didn't. Yeah, we won't show that one off because we know what that one's like. So we showed off the other one, the twin turbo. Okay, next, Mazda RX-8. Yeah, these are sporty things. Let's look at the interior of this thing. Yeah. Next episode, I'm gonna try and get a yeah, I've also got a small one over there. So yeah, that's that one. I'll better show it off because we haven't seen one yet. We'll wrap it up in a minute. Actually, no, we might go to about 25 plus because this game's really interesting and yeah. I had it for, I think I bought it 2013. No, yeah, I think I bought it in 2013 because I really wanted to get, one I could mod, and I wanted the GTA for PC. I was aiming to get GTA San Andreas. I didn't get it, but yeah, San Andreas is, no offense to San Andreas lovers, but GTA San Andreas is horrible compared to this one. It's horrible. I've got it on my, even though I've got it on my iPod. Since for Christmas I got a 5th generation iPod Touch. It's 32 gigabytes. It's red, like the product red, so it's limited edition. It's nice. It does everything for me. Siri works and everything. Yeah, because my last iPod Touch I had, it was the 4th generation, and you know 4th generations are horrible. Well, they weren't horrible back in 2011, but now they really are. Because I got my 4th generation iPod, my first iPod I ever got was the 4th generation. I think I've used the, I went to a friend's place and I played on their 3rd gen, which is, I don't know why he had it, but now he's got a 4th gen. Like a white 4th gen. Okay, we've got 2 more sportings to do. Seriously, going off topic now. And yeah, so BMW 130, yeah, these little things. Dale doesn't want to start. Okay, get our first person view. I don't use I might not use first person view, but because if you're wondering, well, in that 20 days time, well, as I'm recording this, might be tomorrow when I'm uploading it, or might be today when I upload it. About 20 days from today, GTA 5 will be out for the PC. Hopefully us Australians get it, because GTA 5 was banned in Australia because of this campaign, and lots of people voted for it, and it got taken off the market. I wasn't impressed, but it's okay. And yeah, this is a Dodge Challenger concept. Looks a bit like the same now, but it don't. Right. Yeah, it looks basically the same. Let's mark it up. Because if you find the game like the Crew or something, there's a Dodge Challenger that you can buy. I bought the Dodge Challenger because it's the most powerful one. And yeah, I'm already up to level 22. I think I need to finish the career, I'm not sure. I can't wait to get to level 31 because I can get a Chevy Silverado, if you know what that is. It's like a USA pickup truck. It's a 2010 model. And since I'm a fan of a Suburban, I was like, well, why not? Alright, let's just stand here and get random pets spawn. Yeah, he's going to the Lambo. Obviously, Lambo goes first because it's the best car in this thing. Oof. That bus is going to have trouble getting in. He's going to the Riviera.
Come on, you can do it.
I'm just going to reverse the RX-8 out. No, this one. So if there's any issues, I'll just reverse the cars out. Don't crash now. Oh, I thought he was already leaving. He's like, what? Okay. Let's get in the beamer. Oh, I heard a crash. Is it severe? Is he not moving? Yep, he's not moving. You do not come this way.
I'm not going to think twice about using this.
Don't get in the Escalade, get in this one.
Get out of the car.
I can't believe this! Goddamn ass fucking piece of...
This is how he's going. See? If you help each other in Liberty City, you can get people out of the mess. Out of a mess like that. There's that glitchy Escalade again. My god. Yeah. So let's get these last cars going out and then we'll wrap it up in there. I'll go make a note. I'll up to the Challenger concept either. So make a mental note, Taff. You get in the truck? Yep, I think you're getting in the truck. Look at the truck. You get in the lovely Volkswagen Bora. Yep. You already crashed the air truck.
Can I borrow your vehicle?
Get the
Don't
car.
be a prick.
You will be. Yeah, please drive that way. Never mind. Okay, cool. The car's been cleared out. I'm gonna get rid of the Escalade soon. Cool. The car's been cleared out, so anyways, thank you for watching this episode of Grand Theft Auto 4 Car Showcase. We had heaps of good cars to show off. There'll be some more later. Maybe I might record the episode straight up, I don't know. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Please make sure you hit the like button. Let's see if we can get to 2 or 3 likes for more GTA 4. That'd be appreciated. This is Grand Theft Auto Day, since I'm gonna go record some GTA Minecraft servers. As well, we won't record GTA San Andreas. We'll just do like GTA, best GTA games. So then we'll go record GTA MC. I'm gonna go record GTA MC in a minute. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.